Microphone directivity option, omnidirectional. In this segment, we're going to cover one of the microphone directivity options that are available to choose from when using the ADECIA solution with the RM-TT tabletop array microphone. The default directivity is the unique Yamaha auto voice tracking. In this segment, we are going to explain the omnidirectional option further. The omnidirectional option keeps all microphone elements active at all times, which means that the RM-TT tabletop microphone unit is sensitive to all sounds around, similar to the shape of a dome. Omnidirectional pickup is perfect for areas that have good acoustics and when there are several people seated around each RM-TT tabletop array microphone.